Want to make a simple and effective liquid soap using just few ingredients? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you a beginner-friendly liquid soap recipe that is perfect for everyday cleaning. It is easy to make, budget-friendly, and works well for all washing, dishes, and other basic household cleaning tasks. Let's get started. First, I have 125 grams of sodium lauryl sulphate, also known as SLS, and I'm going to dissolve it in 500 ml of water. Pour the SLS into the water, give it a quick stir, and then set it aside to dissolve on its own while we prepare the remaining ingredients. Next, I have 4.5 liters of water, and to that I am adding 260 grams of kitchen salt. Give it a quick stir to help the salt begin dissolving. Now, it is time to add 250 grams of Texapon. This is where the real works begin. We need to stir the Texapon and salt solution thoroughly until everything blends smoothly into the water. This part usually takes 25 to 30 minutes, so be patient. Don't rush this step. Make absolutely sure there is no lumps or granules left before moving on, because a well-mixed base will give you a much smoother liquid soap. Now let's bring back our SLS solution. As you can see, it has completely dissolved. If your own hasn't dissolved yet, simply stir it a little longer until it is perfectly clear before adding it to the main mixture. Slowly pour the dissolved SLS into the Texapon mixture while stirring gently. Continue stirring until everything combines smoothly. You can already see how the mixture is becoming nice and slimy. That is exactly what we want. Next, add your preferred fragrance. I'm using a refreshing lemon fragrance, but you can use any scent you like. Stir it well so the fragrance is evenly distributed throughout the soup. Now add your preferred color. I'm using lemon color to match the fragrance, which gives the soap a clean and attractive appearance. Stir once again until the color is evenly mixed. Once everything is well combined, cover the container and allow it to rest overnight or even longer. This gives the foam enough time to settle, leaving you with a much clearer and more professional looking liquid soap. And here we are the following day. Just look at that. The foam has settled beautifully and the liquid soap is ready to use. This simple detergent is great for dishwashing and other basic household cleaning tasks, making it an excellent recipe for beginners or anyone looking for an affordable cleaning solution. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who would love to learn this recipe, and subscribe for more easy DIY tutorials. In the next video, I will show you how to make a high quality liquid soap using up to 10 ingredients for even better cleansing power, richer foam, and a more professional finish. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. God bless.